Don't fry chicken without seeing this trick, you'll be blown away. Here, I've got 500 grams of chicken wings. I'm using chicken seasoning, but you can use your favorite. I'll add a teaspoon of garlic powder, some black pepper, a teaspoon of baking powder, a bit of ginger powder, and now I'll mix it all well. Now I'll cover with cling wrap. And just let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes or more. After that time, we'll uncover. We'll add in a beaten egg, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of flour. Let's mix all that. It's ready now. Just gotta fry it in hot oil. Once done frying, we'll remove it and move it to a paper towel. And look how incredible this chicken is. Super easy, delicious, and really crispy. Try it. I'm sure you'll all love it. Hope you liked it. Another recipe here from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.